एक्शन गेम बटन यूज नहीं करते हैं, इशू सेट करके रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन ऑफ करते हैं।
Here at a petrol station around 40 kilometers from Gulmarg, because we were really running low on fuel. तो हमारे पास सिर्फ 20 किलोमीटर्स का फ्यूल बचा था। एंड मतलब आप कहीं भी चले जाओ, ब्यूटी ऑफ कश्मीर इज़ लाइक अमेजिंग, टोटली अमेजिंग। एंड नाइस पीपल, व्हाट एल्स आई कैन से। बाकी हमारा कल रात का जो सिस्टम था वो बहुत बढ़िया रहा, वी रियली एंजॉयड इट। सो या हियर आई एम, dude, let's have some coke. So guys, I have dropped Ben is not here, so we have just entered the Ghohan Village, and now we're gonna go and meet our family. So now we are on our way. So solo drives are not that bad, and that's the house that we saw earlier, belongs to a Sikh family, and another old house. चलते हैं और मारते हैं chill with the family. Let's see how Noora is doing. What I've decided is to get the car in reverse. Because that's the only way how we are, or we can judge the muqabla. We are here, and here is our Noora. Hello Noora.
Hello.
And we are here in this little cottage, very cozy, deep inside the jungles of Ghohan. There is Mata Pita, they are taking their rest, and we are having some tasty chai. Yippee. There is this little mall where you can find confectioneries, you can go for some shopping and all. And let's see what we can buy or what we need to buy. Here is Noori having her cake. Da da da. Da da da. So let us make her eat this cake. Da da da. Da da da. Me and Noora are here in the town of Baramulla having some pastry. And I am having my coffee. And there's somebody there who's having cold coffee and something cinnamon, walnut, something. Can I taste?
Yeah, yummy. Very, very yummy.
Hmm. Not too. Noora, hot chocolate. My coffee looks sad. Nora's hot chocolate looks happy. And it has got clouds. Well, guys, here we are. Nora's mama's school. Nora's mama's school. So, the name of the school is Saint Joseph School, Baramulla, and it is a very good school and has a very beautiful, you can playgrounds and all. And it has been established, I believe, more than 70, 80 years ago, because even my father has done his schooling from this school, but obviously buildings and infrastructure has changed. So you can imagine how old the school is. So the legacy continues, and Dr. Sukhdeep is very happy to see, and she, is so happy to see her school. आप लोग यहाँ पे जाके खेलते थे क्या? Show your entry identity. So look at this, how beautiful this school is, guys. Situated in the town of Baramulla and second block. So all right, beautiful. It is indeed beautiful. Reminds me of my school in Srinagar, Modern Hall School. So yeah, run. No really loved the rides and all, and as you can see, she's jumping from here to there. Kids, man, bacche to bacche. She is happy, I am happy. So yeah, that brings joy to her, and it brings internally joy to me. Noora had a very good time at Mama's school, and now we are just going back. So it was a very good session altogether. चलो मम्मा को देखिए कहाँ गई मम्मा, right? Well, we are on our way towards the village and just sharing some shots with you guys. Village life is the sahi life. Rest is, I mean, to observe the village life, you got to visit a village. Guys, this is the apple tree for delation, organic, without any spray. All you need to do is pluck it, but it is still not, properly done, ripened. So it will take another month or so for it to turn red. So let's do the taste test. इस छोटी छोटी कॉटेजेस बनी हैं, सब ने अपनी समर कॉटेजेस बनाई हुई हैं, है ना. कि आई वेंट टू सिख विलेज, है ना. घर देख लो. अब मैं गुरुद्वारा साहब जा रहा हूँ. देर से गुरुद्वारा साहब आता मानते नहीं, सिंह नहीं मानते यार. डर तो है ही नहीं इनमें. हम वहाँ बैठ के डर रहे होते हैं ऐसे ही. ये देखो. सारा सिख टाउन है, सिख टाउन. Well guys, it's Sunday today and midday, and now we are about to leave the village Ghohan, and we're gonna head towards the Srinagar city today. We are staying here in a cottage deep inside the village, and it's been a very good stay. Weather is extremely good, clean air, and I wish it would have rained, would have made things even more enjoyable and better. So well, there's a kitchen garden and this small hut. So it's time to say goodbye to Ghohan and see you guys later. And see you in a bit. To get onto my truck. Yeah.